Hi everyone, I'm Engineer Map. Welcome back to Fundamentals of Mixed Signals and Sensors. Today, we are diving into a fundamental op-amp circuit, the inverting amplifier. So, ano nga ba ang inverting amplifiers? So, sila ay kalimitang ginagamit sa signal conditioning, microcontroller interfacing at sa analog computations, kagaya ng summing and scaling ng ating mga signals. Understanding ng circuit ng inverting amplifier is essential for working with sensors and mixed signals electronics. So start tayo, ano nga ba ang definition ng inverting amplifier? Ito ay type ng amplifier of operational amplifier of amp circuit kung saan ang ating input signal ay applied sa inverting terminal or makikita nating negative at yung ating non-inverting terminal ay nakakonect sa ating ground. So yung plus sign na terminal ay connected po sa ating ground. So unlike po sa ating non-inverting amplifier, the output signal is 180 degrees out of phase with the input, meaning yung ating pong signal ay inverted. Inverting amplifiers are widely used for conditioning or signal conditioning, level shifting, at analog computations. Sa atin pong figure, makikita po natin na yung atin pong input signal ay in-applied po natin through a series input resistor. Meron po tayong dalawa, Ri, to the inverting input. Also to the output, yung fed back through RF to the inverting input. And then yung atin pong non-inverting input ay grounded. So the output is inverted relative to the input and the gain can be less than or greater than 1 depending on the resistor ratio. So yung atin pong infinite input resistance implies na wala po tayong current na dumadaan po sa inverting input. If there's no current sa atin pong input resistance, then wala po tayong tinatawag na voltage drop. So between sa ating inverting and non-inverting inputs. Ibig sabihin po, yung atin pong voltage sa inverting input ay 0 because the non-inverting input is grounded. So this zero voltage at the inverting input terminal is referred to as the virtual ground. Since wala po tayong current sa inverting input, the current through Ri and current through RF are equal. So ibig sabihin, yung IF po natin ay equal sa ating Iin. For the overall gain of the inverting amplifier, so yung ating pong equation ay nagpapakita ng closed loop voltage gain, ACL. So of the inverting amplifier, ito po ay ratio ng feedback resistance at sa ating input resistance. So the closed loop gain is independent sa ating op-amp's internal op-amp open loop gain. Thus, the negative feedback stabilizes the voltage gain at yung ating pong negative sign ay nag-indicate po ng ating inversion. So again, ACL is equal to negative RF over RI. For example, given the op-amp configuration, so determine the value of RF required to produce a closed-loop voltage gain of negative 100. So in this problem, given na po yung ating ACL, which is negative 100, and sa figure makikita po natin ng value po ng ating RI ay 2.2 kilo ohms. So ang hinahanap po natin ay RF. Kung babalikan po natin yung ating formula, ACL is equal to negative RF all over RI. And manipulating the formula para po makuha po natin yung ating RF, so that is RF is equal to negative ACL RI. Substituting the given, equal po tayo saan? Negative 100 and then 2.2 kilo ohms. So calculating for RF, we have 220 kilo ohms for our final answer. For the resistances of inverting amplifier, given this op-amp configuration, the input resistance of the op-amp Rin I is approximately equals nga po sa ating external input resistance, Ri, because of the virtual ground sa ating inverting input. And given yung ating pong Rout, equivalent din po siya dun sa ating Rout for the non-inverting amplifier, which is Rout all over 1 plus AOL B, wherein yung ating pong A sub OL ay open loop gain at yung B po natin ay attenuation. For example, the op-amp in figure has the following parameters. For the open loop gain, we have 50,000. Rin is equal to 4 mega ohms and Rout is equal to 50 ohms. For letter A, find the values of input and output resistances. And for letter B, determine the closed loop voltage gain. In the figure, as you can see, we have here Ri, 1 kilo ohms, and Rf as 100 kilo ohms. So for letter A, as we all know, yung atin pong Rin ng inverting amplifier is equal to the Ri. So since may Ri na po tayo, that is equivalent to 1 kilo ohms. For the Rout, our formula is Rout all over 1 plus open loop gain times B. So since wala pong given na attenuation or B, so that is Ri all over Ri, quantity Ri plus Rf. Substituting yung ating pong mga values, that is 50 ohms for the Rout all over 1 plus quantity, yung ating pong AOL, which is 50,000 times. To compute for B, the attenuation, that is 1 kilo ohms all over 101 kilo ohms. And calculating for the Rout, our final answer is 101 milliohms. For the other questions, for letter B, so we have here determine the closed loop voltage gain. That is given by the formula ACL for the inverting amplifier is equal to negative RF all over RI, which is equal to negative 100 kilo ohms all over 1 kilo ohms. And our final answer is negative 100. Sum up our discussion for inverting amplifier. Natandaan na ang inverting amplifier ay nag-i-invert at nag-i-scale ng input signal. So yung gain natin ay set by the resistor ratio. The closed loop gain is given by negative RF all over RI. The input resistance Rin ay equal po dun sa ating input. And then output resistance is low. And then this inverting amplifier is widely used in signal conditioning, ADC interfaces, and analog computations. And that's all for our discussion for the inverting amplifiers.